Welcome back to another tutorial for the Kaiju number 8 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can purchase various items using your free credits within the game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Kaiju number 8, and after you have completed your basic tutorial level, you can claim some credits that will be shown at the top section. Now from the main menu, click on the shop option, and now click on credit at the left side. Here you will find various items that you can purchase by spending your credits that you can earn while playing the game for free, without spending your real-world cash. In order to purchase any item, just click on it, and you can choose how many of these items you wish to purchase. After choosing the amount, just click on the OK button, and now your purchase will be completed. You can click on the OK button and continue to make other purchases, or you can now use the item that you have purchased to upgrade your characters. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to purchase various items using your free credits on the Kaiju number 8 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.